Hello Odoo, I hope you all are doing great. So in this video today we are going to learn iframe. It means like external website or external page view, external like content we can show in our website. Let's say if you have any other website already, and if you don't want to create a same page in Odoo and you just want to use that specific other website page in Odoo, so it will save your developing time. And also like some cases when you need this kind of external iframe, right? So let's say for that we will go to website and enable the website editor and click on edit. And if you go down that here, this embed code, we just need to click on drag and drop and click on edit, and you can see here this edit button visible. Let's say here we can put our external source, whatever we need to display, like an URL, any page, right? So I just copied any like YouTube video, so I just copied and paste here, right? And I will save here. You can see this uh, video visible here, right? So in this way we can add here any external content. Let's say if I use here some website, let's say example.com, and you can see this will visible here, this website content. Currently this is just for example, so it looks how. I hope this video will helpful to you.